Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a watermark on CapCut videos. So let's get started. First, add a blue or green image from your gallery. Now, you need to add your text. Go to the text from the bottom options and click Add Text. Write your desired text and choose a font. Go to the style and add shadow. Now, screenshot this and crop the image only. Next, open your edit or content on which you want to add a watermark. Click on Overlay from the bottom options and add the screenshot picture from your gallery. Next, go to Remove Background and select Chroma Key. Move the color picker to the colored area. Select Intensity and make it 100. Move, adjust, and resize the overlay to the bottom of the video. Then, go to Splice and select Overlay. Make the overlay intensity 70. Move the overlay to span the whole video. And that's it. You have successfully created a watermark for your video in CapCut. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.